everybody, it's Katrina.
It's the Crafty Corner crafting.
Hi everybody, welcome to the Crafty Corner. So I'm just popping on to share my My Little Pony basket with you. This is a large basket, and I only have one set of My Little Pony, so this will be a one and done. There will be no LLC of my own designs for this particular basket, but this is the My Little Pony. All right, and I'm just going to angle you down a little so you can see. I used one of the Dollar Tree buckets here. All right, and it says Cottontails Bunny Trails. All right, and then in this basket, of course, we have all the goodies. We have our cotton candy. I have 2 Tiger Pops here. We have our Rice Krispie Treats, Blow Pop, our Peeps, Ring Pop. We have Fun Dip and Fruit Snacks. And over here, I've included a Capri Sun. We have our purple sidewalk chalk there and our bunny egg. All right, I also have another egg here. All right, and then this is the cupcake bath bomb that I included. And then, as you can see, we have our bubbles up here. So make sure you can see that because it's really cute. All right. And if we turn it to the back, we have our My Little Pony Jumbo Coloring Book with the crowns. We have some Cheez-Its here, 2 eggs there, and then you can see the bubbles again. And that is what the back looks like. So I'm going to put a little more shred down here so my little bunny sits up a little bit more. Or I'll tape him up here, one of the two. Either way, I'm going to get him sitting up some. And I'm going to do that now. So I used the purple shred. And this is the shred that came from Walmart. And we're just going to stick that right down in there. Right like so. And I'm just giving it just a little bit of a trim so all the shred is not hanging off of it. And there we have our little bunny is sitting up a little bit better. All right. All right, so I'm going to wrap this up and get it bagged up and everything. You please tell me what you think down in the comments. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Be blessed. But most importantly, you all continue to be a blessing. Bye-bye.
It's the Crafty Corner crafting with Katrina. We got crafty vibes going live, doing our thing for the loyal subs, showing love, shopping hauls and all. Happy meals and the sales, doing well, we don't fail. We bless, we prevail.